Hello, I'm Emma Kendall from St Davids Diocese, where I'm a vicar for 3 churches, and I'm here at the ministry conference talking about having been trained to be one of the new pastoral supervisors, and just wanting to share with people how great the training was that we did recently with St Luke's for Clergy Wellbeing and others, and just such a great time was had. It's an extremely good training programme, and we're really looking forward to being out there helping people with pastoral supervision. And I suppose one thing I just want to say is it's just all about clergy's well-being and flourishing. We're really wanting to add to other things that are on offer across the church in Wales to support clergy well-being, their flourishing, and getting back to all that is life-giving in ministry, helping people navigate things which get in the way of that, which become barriers or trip people up or stress people out, to be part of the process of helping people put things down and let things go, and within a really sacred space, facilitating a process by which people can really fall in love with their ministry once again.